All right, guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new SunCat Smart Wallet. So let's go ahead and check it out. But before we do, I just want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. But let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh, cool. See this one right here. Very nice. I'm always losing my wallet, so this is gonna be like a good replacement for it. Here's the tracker that it comes with. So if you don't have one to put in here, no worries, they give you one already. So just slip that. So you literally just take that buckle off and then put it right there. And then we'll seal it back up and you are good to go. And what's cool is that you have like spots right here. So if you want to put like any cards on here, you can do so. So that's pretty cool. And then you also have some more slots right here. So this would be like definitely great if you want to give it like as a gift or something. For me, it's gonna be for me. Like I'm gonna have to keep this bad boy. And then there's one right here. So if you want to keep your ID in here, that'd be useful. All right, so we'll just hold this button down. It's right here. There it goes. And it should be in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and move over to the app and see if we can hook it up. So first you want to head over to the Find My Devices, hit on Items, then hit that little plus, and it should show up just like it does on here. Name it whatever you like. Choose the emoji to represent it from there. I'm just going to change it to more of like an ID thing, and then you are good to go. All right, as you can see, that was super easy to set up. It is good to go, so I'll just go ahead and show you. So I'll just open up my Find My app. Shows it right there. We'll go ahead and click it. And then we'll hit play sound. There it is. So now we can actually finally put inside the wallet that it came with. And you are good to go. Like I said, you could put cash in here, cards on here, ID over here, and this can be your wallet. Or I mean, you could use this tracker on your OG wallet, whatever you like. So if you're looking for a new wallet that you know you could find no matter where it's at, highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.